On this side I have 1 layer of makeup, and on this side I have 100 layers of makeup. Today we're doing an experiment.
A challenge.
Have you ever wondered what would happen if you were to apply 100 layers of makeup?
No.
Well, me neither, but now that I'm thinking about it, I have to find out.
The plan.
At the moment I have 1 even natural layer of makeup on my face.
On the right side, I will put 99 more layers of
Brows, eyeshadow, mascara, highlighter, blush, and lipstick. After that, we're gonna dip this probably weird face at this point in a bucket of water and see what happens. Exciting!
Or maybe not.
I'm gonna start at the top and move to the bottom. First up, brows. I have 2 brow products, tinted brow gel and brow marker.
1 layer of brow gel is already up.
So let's add 49 more layers of this one and then 50 more layers of this one. One is already up, so now the second one. 10. I mean, so far it looks great. I actually think this brow looks better than this one. Am I missing on something? Maybe today I learned that I need more makeup in my life. 19 and 20. Oh, I think I made a mistake. I should go on the brow and then in the product every time. I'm just kind of swiping in here, brush without any product.
Oh no, I was so stupid.
What do I do? I think this counts for 3 layers. Oh, let's start again. Okay. 4, 5. Now this looks heavy already, right? But it's still not too bad. Let's just continue. That's 20 layers. My brow looks
Crazy.
What if my brows start hating me for this?
Please, brow, forgive me.
For putting you through this today?
It's for the sake of science. Let's continue. Again, I'm doing that. I always forget to go in the product. I'm so stupid. Okay, so that was 21, 22, 23, and 30.
Oh no.
Look at that. Why did I decide to do this today? I don't know.
Don't ask me.
20 more layers with this one. Let's do it quickly. Okay, 10 more. And that's it. 50 layers of brow gel on my brow. How do I look? Oh my god.
That's one heavy brow.
Let's move on to this brow marker. We have to go 50 layers of this. Let's start. Oh no, that's so weird. This looks hella weird right now, and we still have 40 more layers of this one. Let's just go. 70, 30 more layers, 20 more layers, so 81 and 90.
Oh no.
Look at my brow, guys. What do you think? Still not as bad as I maybe expected. I think it's gonna be way worse with mascara, lipstick. This is still okay. 100 layers brows. What do you say? Would you rock this makeup? I think I will not ever again. Moving on to 100 layers of eyeshadow. I have 20 eyeshadows here. I have to go 5 times through all of these and apply them on my lid. Okay, let's go. First one is a pink, then a potent blue, 15. I mean, it looks pretty nice. Also very nicely blended, because as you can see, I'm not trying to blend it at all. I'm just slathering it on. We continue. 20 layers. That's an interesting shadow. Oh, you cannot see it? Maybe if I try with my finger. The payoff is a bit
Meh.
30 layers. I wouldn't go out like this, but it looks okay. And 40 layers. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna look as if someone punched me in the eye. I feel like usually I'm the type of person with makeup where less is more, but not today. Today,
More is more.
and that is 60 layers of eyeshadow.
I'm so sorry, eyes. I'm so sorry, face. What am I doing to you today?
80 layers, guys. I like this color. This blue is actually really nice. The combination of all these shadows is bomb. That's it. I feel like we are at 90. Yes. Just 10 more. There we go. I also applied my eyeshadow on half of the brows, but that's okay. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. The 100th layer. Ta-da! I like how the fallout has actually created like a circle. Like someone has punched me in the eye. Yep, that's the look. Here are 10 different mascaras. I have to apply each of these 10 times. Together it will give me 100 layers of mascara. The first one. 9, 10. 4 lashes. Forgive me. Ooh, this one is a pretty violet color. 1 and 10. No, 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 no. 30 layers on. I feel like I have less and less lashes. I only have like 5 lashes hanging on there. I like this one.
Oh.
40 layers. My lashes are non-existent at this point. And they are also looking blue right now, the same as eyeshadow. Where are you? Where are my lashes? Gone. Hopefully not forever. Another blue one. We are fancy today, aren't we? This one is so pretty, like so electric blue. 50 layers down. No lashes left. What is this? I feel like I'm just complaining today. I'm just saying,
No, that's not going well. This is terrible.
let's switch up the energies here. This is amazing. Awesome. The best day of my life. Best experiment I've ever done. My lashes are
Gorgeous.
60 layers of mascara. Another purple one. My lashes are gonna be looking fabulous, but they're just gonna be a little bit crusty. 70 layers. This color is beautiful. I don't know why I'm not wearing colored mascaras more often. This actually looks pretty. I'm gonna start doing it. Now we have like a teal color between green and blue. There we go. 80 layers down. We're going strong. The glitter mascara. Do you guys remember when I made a glitter mascara myself? It's pretty much the same as mine. Ooh, it gives nice little shine to the lashes, but not too powerful. I like it. 90 layers. They look so shiny. They look really nice, but they're just clumped together. I like it. What's wrong with me? Ooh, this one is like yellowy cream. Perfect mascara to finish this off. And 100 layers of mascara. This yellowy green one was actually super potent. Look at it. It overpowered everything. Not gonna lie, I actually liked my lashes a little bit more before we applied this one. Oh well. Moving on to highlighter. I have these two products, powder form and rim form. So I'm gonna start with this one with cream highlighter. I'm just gonna apply the first like this. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna blend it a little bit right now. Oof, no. Oof. 30 layers. 40 layers of this one. I'm gonna stop and just do 60 more layers of powder form. And let's go. 50 layers of product. Oh, very iridescent and gorgeous. 51. 60.
I actually never wear highlighter on everyday basis. Even when I film, I never apply highlighter.
But looks good. Not that much highlighter, but a little bit. Maybe I will start wearing. 70 layers. Whoa, this shine is real. Not bad. 80 layers. Also guys, am I applying highlighter on the right spot? I think I'm going way too far in here. I don't know. Please teach a confused person. 20 layers more. 90.
I look very cartoony. I could be like a cartoon character like this.
I don't know. 10 more layers. 100. It's actually a very pretty color. I really like this iridescent color. I don't know how it's called. Tell me in the comments if you know. I own 7 blushes.
Which means that I'm gonna apply 10 layers with each of those blushes.
Then I'm gonna choose 3 more.
And I'm gonna apply 10 more layers with those blushes.
Understood. Let's go. This one is so pretty. 10. It looks lovely so far. The second one. 20 layers. I love this blush very, very much. Almost finished it. Next one is this corally color. Oh my gosh, this one is pigmented. I feel like my highlighter is gone. 100 layers of work and now it's almost gone. I guess we're fine. On to the 40th layer. 40 40 layers. Interesting. I'm using this one as my everyday blush. It's also not that potent, so you don't end up with something like this. Ta-da! 50? Yes, 50 layers. Or is it 40? No, it's 50. It's 50 layers. 60 layers. Love this color. It's also very shiny. Some of these blushes, I guess this one added like a nice shine to it. I also like how I'm not wiping the brush before going on. I just
Smother.
What is this? And there we have 70 layers.
I'm gonna choose my favorites and I'm gonna apply
30 more layers. First one will be this one. Just because it's a bit different. It's more like a mauvey pink. 80 layers. Why am I not hating this? It looks even and satisfying. Why do I like this? I'm gonna choose this one as my second bonus color. 90 layers down. This one is my final color. 100. This looks so nice and so even. I just want to paint my entire face with this blush. I love it. I have searched every corner of my house and I found 30 lipsticks. We're gonna go through these 3 times and then I'm gonna repeat one row again. That way we're gonna get 100 layers of lipstick. Enough blabbing, let's go. This one looks interesting. $20 down. We have a nice purpley blue shade. My teeth have lipstick as well. We're gonna ignore that. This one is a beautiful red. There we go. 30 layers down. Let's continue. 40 layers. As you can see, I'm really trying to apply as much as I can, so I actually rub it a little bit back and forth. I like this one. Whoa, beautiful blue. 60 layers on the lips. My arms hurt. I hate this one. So ugly. This one too. 70 layers. We're getting there. 80 layers down. Now my lips look really purpley, but I'm still enjoying it. 90 layers.
Oh my god.
They don't look as bad. I need to pick up 10 more lipsticks. I'm just gonna go through it and pick as I go.
because I really want to have my favorites for the last 10 layers.
I really like this one. 91. 92. This one, no. 93. Skip. 99. And this one will be my 100 layer. 100. I feel like a little burning sensation in my lips, but other than that, I think it went pretty
I
smooth.
thought that half my face
Fall
will...
off, be inflamed, whatever. I think it's okay. I survived. Let's see what happens with 100 layers of makeup underwater.
Oh my gosh!
There's no color in the water. How do I look? Let me see. Whoa! Was this actually waterproof? 100 layers of waterproof makeup? That's something. Makeup has held up really well underwater. Let's see what happens if I wipe it. It's still... Oh no, yeah, the brows. Look at the brows just melting away. Oh, hello, my natural brows. I'm gonna be here doing this for a while.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
And I'll see you soon. Mwah. Bye.